Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to find OnlyFans creators in your area. Now, it's very easy. There's two ways. So if you know the person's name, you can actually search up their name right here. For example, let's say Anastasia, right? If you know they're in your area, you can easily search them up. And another thing you can do, guys, is just search up the location. So let me show you. Let's do Vegas. Okay, you'll find all the creators that have basically Vegas in their tag or post. Okay, and that is how you can go ahead and find these people when they are, putting that location in their posts. And if you want to switch between paid and free ones, you can just come and toggle this one. Okay, to show all of them. So right now it would basically show only the free ones. And if you toggle that again, it will show even the paid ones. It's really that easy. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.